Good morning, younger generation. We are starting one important topic called self assessment. This is normally adopted by Human Resources Department, that is HR department, in all organizations, so that you, being an employee, may be assessed for further allocation of responsibilities, promotions, increments, status, everything by the management. Whenever you join organization or if you are already in the organization, every year they may be doing it. This is the process. Normally, this chapter, this assessment is done by two types of people. For two types of people, one is designated managers, or another is workers or staff or below managers. You may be belonging to any category. Today you are a staff, tomorrow you may become a manager, then you may become a senior manager, like that. We should understand exactly what is this. This is a very important topic what I am talking. We are making this into two parts. One is for the staff and officers. Every year they will be doing this one. Normally they do in self-assessment process, they give a questionnaire. They circulate a questionnaire among the employees to give replies to certain questions. In that questions, they want to assess what is your opinion about yourself regarding the organization, the work that has been allotted to you. So they put about 20-25 questions in it. The questions may be like that: are you understanding your responsibilities, your duties, your time frames? One. Then, are you properly talking to your seniors or juniors, team members properly? That is communication. Are you understanding the vision or mission or goal of the company, including nation? Like that, they put so many questions to you, put to the employee, and the employee is supposed to give his own assessment about him in that form. What I want to tell you is that in this assessment, all your questions or your assessment will be done based on your acceptance of responsibility, your behavior, your communication skill, your positive thinking, your adaptiveness. Means, are you in a position to accept yourself changes? Are you in a progress way to, suppose there is going to be change in the product, there is improvement in the product, are you in a position to accept it? Are you having the aptitude to accept it? These are all the things normally we see in this self-assessment process. So the questionnaire is filled, then it goes to the senior, then senior gives his comment, then it goes to further, like that goes. So if you are a junior, if you are a staff, all these what I am telling, all these abilities, everything are coming from your today's life, home, school, college, society, relatives, everything. How you are dealing with these people would be the inbuilt qualities inside of you to deal your people inside the organization also. That is why I am telling you, now itself, you have to concentrate on your time management, communication skill, aptitude, positive thinking, patience, non-greediness, ambitious, everything we have to deal now itself. Okay? We will see again tomorrow about the managers as part 2. Fine.